From our social media accounts out there, I have a company 401k match that automatically goes into a traditional Roth. What?
Wait.
That makes no sense. No, it goes into, well, let me read the question and you can clarify it. I have a company 401k match that automatically goes into a traditional Roth. Are we able to transfer that portion over to our Roth and pay taxes on that now?
Okay, so I think it's just a typo type error. They probably mean a traditional 401k or it's a 401k match. So they mean a traditional 401k, which is that's the normal. That's all. I mean, I would say that's typically. I'm avoiding always. That's typically what happens is a 401k match.
For all of our new listeners, she's a lawyer, so she will not say always. She gets on me all the time anyway.
Yeah, so that's what they mean here is it goes into a traditional 401k bucket within the 401k plan. And yes, you are able to roll that portion over into your Roth and pay the taxes on it immediately. So I would do that quickly so that the taxes are lower, because once it starts growing, you have to pay taxes on the full amount, including the growth.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yep.
We are a Roth 100%.
Sort of, yeah.
Well, the nice thing is if you do have a company match, there is money going into traditional. So you do have that bucket, especially if you retire before 59 and a half, having some of that traditional money to use, that works out. So.